boys and girls and families, happy Monday. It is the first day of week 2 of your remote learning. You guys have been doing a great job. Keep up all of your hard work. Monday morning's greeting is normally a name card greeting, so I'm going to go ahead and greet all of you. Good morning, Gabe, Sophie, Evie, Lily, Ava, Brooklyn, Adelaide. Good morning, Nathan, Gavin, Jordan, Lacey, Lauren, Sierra, Francesca, Penny, Owen, and Emmeline. I hope you all are having a great morning. The next part of our meeting is our share. I want you to go ahead and share with someone at your house about your favorite part of the weekend. I hope you had a nice, relaxing weekend and you were able to get outside or maybe take a break from the schoolwork and do something that you enjoy to do. The next part of our meeting is activity. For your activity today, I want you to go ahead and play rock, paper, math again, a game that you taught your family last week. Let's read our morning message. Hello, super students. I hope you had a great weekend. Today you will read a new poem, practice your addition fluency, and explore black bears. Work hard and be kind. Let's go ahead and look at the plans here. So parents, you're going to follow the plans that you used last week. It's the same layout, but with the week 2 collection of work. So in your envelopes, you should have a stack of work paper clipped together that has a sticky note on it saying week 2. The day begins with ELA, so the first job for ELA will be to read the new poem for the week, Jen the Hen, working on the short E-eh sound. Jen the hen, I have a pet hen. She is almost 10. She loves to lay eggs, and I named her Jen. One day Jen got stuck in a net. I went to get her, and she was all wet. I got her out and took her to the vet. The vet dried her off and fixed up my pet. After the students read that a couple times with you, like I mentioned last week, we usually do an I read. So I read it to the students, a we read it together a couple times, and a you read. I pick one of the students to read it. So you could read it with your student, and have your student read it to you. After you're done practicing reading that poem, you'll have them visualize, draw a picture for what they imagine when they hear that poem read. Specialist schedule, again, is Monday is PE, Tuesday is library, Wednesday and Thursday is art, and Friday is PE. So go ahead and visit those teachers' websites or check out the plans if it's art that were in the envelope. After that, we move into math. Your warm-up is going to stay the same for week 2 for math. You will start by filling out your weather graph, and then do some skip counting with your students. So practicing again 2s, 5s, and 10s. It's Monday, so it's an addition fact fluency day. Your student can complete the fact fluency practice. If you need to take out beans or macaroni or pennies, whatever works for counters for your students, you can do so. You can also turn the paper on its side and draw a number line from 0 to 20. Our students have been practicing making jumps on the number line to show addition problems and counting on. If they finish this first side, the addition fluency side, there is a new color by sum on the back for them to do. If you don't get to the color by sum today and you want to save it for maybe Friday when they have some free choice, that's fine too. After math is science, and again the warm-up is the same, so they are going to draw the weather and write a sentence about it for the day. I want to stress that there needs to be capital letter and punctuation when they're doing this writing, so parents, if you could please check that over. After you read that, you have a new National Geographic for the week. So again, it's split into 3 sections, so today will only be the first section. And the first section is I Spy Black Bears. It goes from page 2 to page 7. If your student finishes this, they could take one of the blank pieces of paper that were in their envelopes, divide it into 4 equal parts, divide it into fourths, Each fourth represents a season: fall, winter, spring, and summer. And they could write or draw about what the black bear is doing during each season as a recap for this section. That's all I have for you today. Please keep an eye out for the Sign Up Genius form for our next Zoom conference. Those conferences will take place with all of the kids who sign up for that time. So we could have 4 or we could have the whole class in there. Sign up for as many of those times or as few of those times as you would like to. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.